boat.
With fireworks.
Yep, I'm on a boat with fireworks. Like a boss. I'm on a boat with fireworks like a boss. That's right. I went there. That's so awesome, though. Oh, that one was cool. That's so awesome.
I go over there so much. Play the rest of the song. Because you're having the wrong year.
I know. There's so much smoke. It's green.
Look at the whole sky. Kendall, look at
That is so awesome.
Look at the whole sky, Kendall.
It's not even funny. It's like awesome.
Whatever.
It's green. It's not lettuce green though.
It's not awesome to send fireworks to a puff of smoke.
Stupid lettuce.
Well, that was pretty.
All of them are pretty, Amanda.
That was prettier.
Don't be doubting the fireworks. God damn it. I gotta post this on YouTube.
I mean, yeah, it's my mom's around.
Damn you. Ah.
Well, they're gonna send more up. There's wait for some of the smoke to go away.
Oh. Woohoo!
That's so pretty.
That one was cool.
Whoa, that cloud was like a foot.
Oh yes. Ah, the boat's moving.
No, Kendall, that's a shark.
Or is it? It's the mutant shark of Halifax Harbor. It's so awesome though. Can I zoom in this? Oh, I can.
You didn't know that?
Nope.
You do that all the time to me. How echoey it is over there.
It is.
Where?
Sky's all red. Oh, that was cool. It's making cool noises. It makes cool noises. So awesome. It is. It's still there. It's so awesome. I have really bad camera skills. If you drop it magically in the water, I'd be like, I hate you. So awesome. I'm gonna zoom in on that.
Can't see clearly though, 'cause you don't see cameras.
I know.
It's a lot of them.
I know it is.
You know the Jeffs all the time are spinning fireworks.
Stop for a
Another
minute.
one.
Oh man, my camera's running out of batteries. That's so awesome.
It's paranoid by the Jonas Brothers.
What?
Paranoid by the Jonas Brothers.
Where do you get paranoid by the jump booth?
Playing.
I can hear it. Oh, that's cool. It's green. And it magically floats down from the sky.
And it goes out into the water.
It's quite awesome. Yeah, it's gonna go out against the water in like a second. Yeah, there we go. Just dies magically. Oh, look at that! It's so awesome.
Look at the red in the sky.
Oh, that's so cool.
Watch madness, Kendall.
Total madness.
Look at it, it's echoing so much.
So awesome though. Oh, that was cool. It's making shapes.
Hearts.
So cool.
It's like a glove, actually.
It looks like a glove. A mitten.
Yeah.
Yep.
That was pretty. It was red.
I was running up. Oh no.
What's fascinating about fireworks?
It's quite awesome though. It's quite awesome. Oh, that was cool. Yucky.
It was green. Oh,
Oh.
this one's really pretty.
Oh, look at this. Oh, that's cool.
Kendall, it's blue and red.
Yes.
And the red's so bright it was pink. And green. What? No.
What? No. But it's not lettuce green.
Sure.
Oh, that one was cool.
It's cooler. That was good.
So awesome. I'm trying to get them all at the same time. Let's zoom out. There we go. I have like a minute left on here. Stopped. Oh, there we go.
It's over.
Is it?
Nope.
Oh, it's over. Nope. Oh, that one was cool.
What's mad at us, Kendall? He's sending signals into the sky.
Ooh. Oh, that was awesome.
They're all pink. Where's the blue
Pink is
one?
awesome. You don't deserve one Minto. That's right. I called you Minto.
They turn blue actually before they go out.
Yeah, I just called you Minto, just like the candy.
Mento?
Yeah.
Turn blue before they go out. Sounds good.
Oh, it stopped. Oh, there we go. I have 45 seconds.
Left?
Yep. Took a 7-minute video. Oh, it stopped.
Yep.
It's not even cool. Well, I'll tape Amanda for a second then. Look at Amanda. She's such a loser.
Everyone cheering.
Hey, look. It's me. I'm so cool. I'm so
I can't
freaking
see you.
awesome. I know you can't see me because there's no like light. Ah. Hey, look at the itty bitty little red and green light. Oh, is that more fireworks? Oh, look at that.
I think they're just waiting for all the smoke to go away.
I have like 10 more seconds left. It's not even cool.